Ever wondered why toilet training seems like an uphill task? Well, you're not alone. Many find it a tricky phase navigating through a sea of accidents and stubborn refusals. But don't fret, it's all part of the process. The key here is patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Yes, it's a bit of a juggling act, but remember, every little progress counts. So, celebrate those tiny victories. Toilet training doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right approach, it can be smooth sailing. Preparing for the toilet training journey is half the battle won. As we venture into this journey together, let's break down the process into 5 easy-to-follow steps. First, we need to identify the signs of readiness. This could be your child showing interest in the toilet, staying dry for longer periods, or expressing discomfort when their diaper is wet. Remember, each child is unique, and these signs may vary. Next, let's talk about selecting the right equipment. A smaller potty chair can be less intimidating for a child, or a special seat that fits onto your regular toilet can make them feel more grown up. Whatever you choose, ensure it's safe and comfortable for your little one. The third step is setting a routine. Consistency is key here. Set specific times for toilet breaks, like after meals or before bedtime, and stick to them. This helps your child understand when it's time to use the toilet. Now, on to handling setbacks. Accidents will happen, and that's okay. Instead of scolding, use these moments as teaching opportunities. Reinforce the routine and reassure your child that it's part of the learning process. Lastly, celebrate successes. Whether it's staying dry for a whole day or using the potty independently, every small victory deserves recognition. This builds confidence and makes the process enjoyable for your child. Remember, the key to successful toilet training is patience and perseverance. And with these steps, you're well on your way to making toilet training a positive experience for both you and your child. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about toilet training so far. We've navigated the ins and outs of this crucial phase, underscoring the importance of 3 key factors: patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Remember, toilet training is not a race. It's a journey that your child will take in their own stride. Our patience and understanding are paramount during this period. Consistency is the second pillar of successful toilet training. Regular reminders and sticking to a routine can work wonders in making the process smoother. We also touched upon the magic of positive reinforcement. Praise, rewards, or even a high five can boost your child's confidence and motivate them to keep going. And let's not forget, setbacks are normal. They're not a sign of failure, but rather an opportunity to learn and grow together. With the right approach and mindset, you can turn the daunting task of toilet training into a rewarding experience for both you and your child.